So let's go on to a mini review. This is the GNB 3000 milliamp hour goggle battery. As you can see, it has a barrel connector for your Fat Shark or Aomway or Sky Zones or whatever goggles you have. It has an XT30 connector. This is a 2S battery, by the way, and a balance plug. So you can charge it the usual way with your balance charger instead of, with the Fat Shark batteries. Where is my Fat Shark battery? I have one. So with the Fat Shark battery, it just comes with the barrel connector. You plug it into your charger and it self-balances all in itself. But it also means that you need an extra connector cable to connect to your balance charger, and that sometimes can be a hassle. And this is just 1800 milliamp hours, so it does run out like in 1 or 2 hours. This one also comes with a power indicator, so it came with like 75% or something like that. Last night when I got it, it was a storage charge, and after a whole night of whooping, it was our whoop night, by the way. After a whole night of whooping, it's now at 50%. It probably lost just 25%. This battery can still do a lot of more flights, so definitely do check this out from Kaiju Power. Get one yourself, and this is a good addition. If you fly out a lot, the last thing that you want is being out in the field and then suddenly your goggles start beeping because it's low battery, which I've experienced a lot of times, both in the whoop nights or in the races or what have you.